Hi guys, my name is Jamie. I really don't like making videos or being in videos, so I'm going to try to make this as short as possible. I am currently a student here studying criminology to obtain my bachelor's degree. I actually have my associates already in criminal justice, and I completed basic law enforcement training about 10 years ago. Wow, 10 years ago. So I've been in law enforcement for about 10 years. My main goal in the future is to become a magistrate. So that's kind of what's inspired me to come back and many years later and get my bachelor's degree. As far as the physical activities go, I'm not going to lie, I've actually gotten really lazy since I graduated basic law enforcement training, and I have not been working out and doing things like I should. So this class is, I think, going to be really good for me because it's kind of a motivator to get me back in there and work on my physical activities. As far as the aerobics part goes, I think I'm just going to try to run or jog maybe 4 times a week. For the resistance aspect of it, I think I'm going to try the kettlebell. I did that back in basic law enforcement training. We did some kettlebell exercises and I really enjoyed that. So I think I'm going to try to do that. And then as far as the flexibility aspect of it goes, I think I'm going to stick with yoga. I've actually been doing yoga for a couple of months now, tried it out, and I really like it. So I think I'm just going to stick with that maybe twice a week and the resistance twice a week, and then just try to jog every other day. It's kind of hectic working a full-time schedule and trying to, now going back to school. So I'm going to have to try to make time to fit the physical activities into my busy schedule. But I think I can make it work, and good luck to all of you.